Hey guys, Awesome at VSE here. Huge update from HB Tuners today. You no longer have to pull your Global A T93s out of the truck and send them in or swap them out to get an unlock done. You can actually do them in the truck, and we're going to show you how. All right, so to start off, we have our MVPI4 plugged into the OB2 port, USB-C cord connected from the MVPI4 to the laptop, and then we're going to go ahead and put the truck into accessory mode. How you do that is key fob inside the truck, push and hold the power button for 10 seconds until it goes into accessory mode. So from there, we're going to open up VCM Editor Beta. You're going to get this notification. This will ensure that you're in beta. It's going to let you know. We're going to hit OK. I prefer full screen. And then from here, we're going to go top right, help, and we're going to resync our interface. Once that is completed, it will say resync complete. You're going to hit close. You're going to go to the top right hand corner, green up arrow, read vehicle. We're going to hit read. You can also hit gather info. From this screen, you are going to drop your E41 ECM from read entire to do not read. Your T93 will stay read entire, bottom middle, read. You will get a message, hit OK. This is your stock file read. You will save this to your computer, and this is the read that you are going to send in to us to info@runvse.com, order number as the subject, attach the file to it, and then send it in to us. So we'll just save it. Once you have saved that, that is not the stopping point. Your TCM is not unlocked at that point. You need to actually write that stock file read to the truck. In order to do that, we're going to hit the red down arrow. If you highlight over it, it will say write vehicle. It's going to pop up and give you your licensing options. We will hit show licensing options. We're going to hit specific. This requires 4 credits. It's going to say, are you sure? You're going to click yes. At this point, do not hit write. We need to drop write calibration down to write entire. It has to be write entire. And then we will click write, and we will wait for this process to finish. When unlocking the stock modules, it will erase it and write it twice. So we just finished the first erase and write process, and it just erased it again, and now it's going to go write it again. And once this is done, then you have completed the T93 unlock. All right, guys, so that completes the write. Super happy HB Tuners released this. Should help out a lot with you guys in the tech field as far as problems you have when you swap the TCMs. We've had people forget to swap it, and then the valve body data doesn't transfer. This is going to be tremendous on the side of you guys being able to just pull the read, unlock it, cuts out all the shenanigans, makes the kits a little bit cheaper for you guys, makes it easier on you guys, and also makes it easier for us to give you the best support possible. Shout out HB Tuners. We're super excited the T93 unlocks came out, and looking forward to seeing what they release in the future. Thanks, guys. As always, run VSE.